国际新闻来关心，印度伫初时时发生重大人打人打死人的事故。这是板球的冠军队伍伫大陆游行庆祝，现场有超过20万人来参加，这是比资本有股的10万人加真多。伫庆祝的过程中，民众相爱相争，尾啊人打人打死人，有11个人死亡，10人受伤。
体育场的大门就还未开，也毋有真侪民众想要对一个正话入口跨入去，就呢发生吞大悲剧。南部大城班加罗尔本来欢欢喜喜要庆祝胜利，却发生伤心的悲剧。
I was standing near the entrance. There was a huge crowd and they stamped on me, and I was not able to breathe. I fell unconscious.
这场胜利游行是为了要庆祝在地球队班加罗尔皇家挑战者，最早伫印度棒球超级联盟摕冠军。
And moreover, the girls, what see, a lot of boys have been standing outside, but girls are they ran away to see these things. And moreover, the gate has been closed up. These things, lot of girls they tried to push the gate and they went inside. That is the main problem in this incident.
球团坐专机到机场，看完接机了，规路游行到大饭店，甲部会首长见面，结果坐车去体育场。球迷知影因相关的行程了，就提早走去体育场等，就是这个时阵发生意外。
Nobody has expected so much a crowd in Shamwa because the capacity of the stadium is only 35,000 people, but 2 to 3 lakh people have come to participate in the celebration.
球队尾也是到体育场，并且办简单的仪式。当局本来有估人数是10万人，真侪球迷坐各种交通工具到体育场，地铁四过拢是人，车厢拢开袂入去。嘟车甲计程车因为路正窄，无愿意接人客，就算载着人客，也是伫咧体育场几落公里外就放人客落车。代志发生了，民众知影有人被打死，如果香港从登去地铁站想要离开，所以地铁站的月台。 人也开甲满满，当局尾啊，甲体育场附近的地铁站拢关起来。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。